When I finish this, so I go and make my fish, eat my meat. Well, let me take this one out. I need to stand so that they will see. Let me put it here so that they will see me. They will see the food. Yes. You see my sunset today? Gambian Vice President. So that they can see the way I dress now.
Open the camera.
Yeah. You see, I'm going to go soon. You taking me?
Yeah.
Yes. This is the new fashion. Huh? Let me just show them my costume. Then we come and deal with this one.
Yeah, Gucci and Louis Vuitton.
And then it's even match, you see?
Yeah, it matches.
Yeah, it matches. I'm going to Oslo. I don't know whether Ghana or where. Let's go with the music. Huh? I want to start, but let me dance this one and then I start the topic. Yes. Oh, this dress is even better. What the vice president put on, insulting us. We in the diaspora saying that we are cleaning toilet. We clean toilet is better than to go and steal the government money, to go and steal the taxpayers' money. Ha! And nobody don't tell me respect her. She didn't respect us. My mom will not tell me that we are cleaning toilets in Finland. You know, It's better than to go and steal. You know, it's better than to go and stand in the street to be a prostitute. This government, they are very stupid. Very stupid, but today I will fucking deal with them. Maybe too much Coca-Cola. Adamaboro, you and your government are very stupid. Very stupid, I mean very stupid. Oh, hey. You insult us. You insult us. Don't you know that the diaspora people, what we put on, the money that we send in Gambia, if at all it's not the diaspora people, or people who die for hunger now, they will die for hunger. You useless vice president, you don't have nothing to tell us, telling us that we are cleaning toilets. For me, I'm so proud. I'm very proud. I'm doing housekeeping. I clean toilets. Yes. But the money that I'm having is better than you big thief sitting there. Eating blood money. And I heard that my name is on the list of people that are wanted in Gambia. You people are not seeing me in Gambia. I don't need to come to Gambia. I don't need. It's Adamaboro when you go, as they say, when you come out and they come Gambia and they enjoy my Gambia. For now, I don't fucking need Gambia now. Yes. Nice. More than 200 people are waiting for me now. More than 200 people are waiting for me now. Let me start. Okay, let me stop the music now. Assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. Badingon. Hadidema, your shoe is very funny. Seriously? This is full foods. Badingon, assalamu alaikum albanyadi. I even want to say Juma Mubarak. I said, what is lan mo xew nga ma laaj? Seen vice président bi tey moom laa ñëwal fii waaw Aïssatou Njie yo dama miin di tooñ Aïssatou Njie si de Aïssatou Touré. I'm not going to call you Dr. Aïssatou Touré because you didn't even have the qualification that we're supposed to call you doctor. So Aïssatou Touré, we are your daughter. We are your daughter, and then you are the mother. You are the mother. You are the nation. You are the mother of the nation of the as. You are the mother, and you are the nation of the Gambia. Fatmata, how to call it? Aïssatou Touré. Aïssatou Touré. Yetubabu dum kol jale. Yetubabu dum kol jale. Nalma foyer kono animbara. Nalma foyer kono animbara. Ale etuje. Jumale se jalibara kuyate la nying mizigo nying check nya bang senya messenger ala ofion ko atonde aka foda men semester. So o ala jubenya YouTube ali senya na fion ko ton. Na message I will receive it, then later I will play that one. Let me leave your Toma alone. I say ila wo Toma okay ko kuma mo wax nañ. Aïssatou Touré
Definitely, you have to respect yourself as a mother if you want people to respect you. Really, you have to respect yourself if you want people to respect you. Really, because daga am dom yi nga xamne mo mun ne ñoo yi morom am na ñoo xamne ñoo leen mag. So it will not be nice. We are telling nasty things to you. Why your daughters are listening to this, and what you are doing is not fair at all. It's not fair at all. Yo Aïssatou Touré itete moy jela molbe tubabu du kono jang ika fako ite nata tubabu du jana yana tubabu du jambe nyame molma abebe fene fana manke fenko ta tonde fana manke kama fitoni tubabu ju ko lemba Aïssatou Touré ntolbe kama fito minna be kama fito minna is better than you people who are sitting in the government, stealing the government money, stealing the taxpayers money, stealing the poor people's money. Is better than the money that we are having is better because we are so proud. We are very proud that we are cleaning toilet, but we are not stealing. We are so proud that we are cleaning toilet, we are not stealing. Iko idi amuta jane. Iko mina iko molka folo ko mina ne mante dingolta yeta mani boto jinde. Aïssatou Touré, that's true. Mina ne mante dungol kumandina ñuño enu la sako malo yoyu nonu nga felen $6 that $6 what can it buy in Gambia? $6 lala muna jinda yen kole mi government bini kan gen yap government bini munule na dem this useless stupid government. You people are there do you nothing, just jël xaalis nit ñi du ko def ususu du ko nekk di ko lekk yen kan gen yap xana yen de gen fogg ni nit ñi dañ nekk. Okay, thank you. Somebody has just sent me something on YouTube. Thank you very much. Hana yende gen fog na tole amira fo molbe tubabu du janne mbe kalanta yalla jang atole yalla nako tubabu du nkol ika kodo minka dun Gambia ali yalla nako tubabu du nkol ala ni tubabu du nkol ala fo tubabu du nkol ko ala baraka yem mol jele munu be do ko la jang I banyo ta fulale ko ibe kamakul. And that kamaku is more far better than stealing the money. It's more far better than albe fuaru la kodo domokang, albe taxpayers nyo la kodo domokang. Woman, you have to respect yourself if you want people to respect you. You have to respect people if you want people to respect you. But anytime you just come and open your that dirty mouth and your that ugly face, say any rubbish that you want. Who are you? And what did you want? Yo I can act fan nga touch. Ya can act fan nga touch. Dimbale len nit ñi. Gis ngeen fini nit ñi seen doole lañ nekk di daan. Nit ñi seen doole lañ nekk di daan. Gis nga ni ki looy wax ne dang ko xasse. Boko gisee mu naxari ko. Dafa fekk ñu ne li nga doon boko bañé dafa fekk nga gënsé ñaaw. Gis nga lu ñoo def. Dañ sé proud be buga dé parce que man li ma liggéey dam ko netal doga ko ci Facebook bi ne li la nekk di liggéey. Bu fekkee ne bu fekkee ne bëgguma ko woon te proud wu ma ko dam ko doon di denc dam ko nuba li ma liggéey duma ko post ma Facebook sax ne lii lay liggéey duma ko post waaye man any job that I'm doing I'm so proud of the job that I am doing. It's better than go and stand on the street being a prostitute or to go and steal. Waaye lan lañ nekk di def ñu ngee daan suñ doole yow mag bu réew nga Aïssatou Touré mu keba klubali bale muyti keba klubalo miano ko ime fangolong ime fango horom ime fango bunya ntul bi janka batami takin tolle ngalong. People wake up like 4:30 they wake up 4:30 a.m. people like me to go to work. I close at 2 o'clock. Sometimes I will close around 4 or sometimes I close at 2 o'clock. It depends. But this job, when I start 6 o'clock, I close at 2 o'clock. Ñu fi ñu ngi dans suñ doole ñaaka nelaw liñ am ñu yónni ko Gambia luñ am dañ ko ay suñ bopp ñu yónni ko Gambia. Anytime our people call us they need money, we have to make sure that the money is provided for them. Waaye yéen ñàkk ngeen li ngeen naa def because you people yéen ñu leen fa teg liggéeyu leen mënuloo te be pare nga ne doo leen bàyyi ngeen nekk foofu noonu di nekk di sàcc xaalis nit ñi mag bu réew boo xam ne amuloo benn respect si sa bopp amuloo benn discipline sa bopp. You know there are certain words yoo xam ne koo xam ne a leader you have to select the words that you will take out from your that dirty ugly mouth. Balaa ngaa wax dara you have to think first because ñun tamit doom lañ am na yenn yoo xam ne you will not say things about your own children, so why are you saying those kind of things to somebody's children? It's not good at all. Dafa baaxul because li nga wax ñun doomi jàmbur lañ te ñun fii ni suñ doole lañ nekk di daan. Man damaa raxas kama te loolu dam koo tiitaroo maa jéene maa suña mbe walla am nañ te be pare man liñ maa fay moo ëpp sa salary fukki yoon ak juróom. The money that they are paying me is more far better than your own salary, because if you depend on your salary, at least li ngeen di am doon ko am fi mu nekk nii yéen a ngi sàcca di jël seen doom yi di leen yónni fu nekk seen doom yi ñu ngi Europe bi even seen doom yi nekk si Europe bi sa nekku ñu liggéey su weer dee ngeen ekkati xaalis si Gambie jël xaalis boobu noonu yónnee leen ko seen leen ko ngeen jël xaalis boobu noonu ngeen yónnee ko ngeen seen leen ko ntol mi mbijam mbe kama futola mbe bukuola alkal kan tolene na bukuola nse buoko bi nga buku sama na buko wala ifisa wo muntarola ti lu su nyahala then I'm pretty proud eko. We have to be proud of that. It's better than stealing the money. You are fucking stealer. You neko len fit dara di such a halis Gambia di such a halis eating the taxpayers' money. Who the hell are you under? What the fuck do you think you are? What the fuck do you think you are? This stupid government that they are not working anything, they are not doing anything. Stupid people, idiot people, you know. Yen ngeen nekk fi ni ngeen nekk foofu noonu di sàcc xaalis nit ñi ñu ngeen nekk di joy xool leen COVID-19 bii ni yàlla ak nit ñi nga xam ne ñoo nekk tubaabu du ni ala nin tubaabu du nkolte ali mbatu nin jali ba ko yaate taada mandi. This old woman, you have to respect yourself. You are ugly like a pig. Nonsense, stupid. Yo sa domi nañ dégga loo xam ne waruñ koo dégga. Because if you respect your own children, you cannot disrespect us. We're not going to allow that for you to disrespect us. For what? How can you respect your own children and you don't want to respect us? Nga tek fa sa domi nga ne sa domi dem jàngi ji ngeen fail leen university. Alkalka Gambia dingo lokumana alka yo alta mane boto alta lita mane boto duni yen kolen ni yap aja baraka yo Jali abaraka nka jali abaraka tak fi simam tak fi simalene jala baraka Aissatou Touré, you and your boss, that pregnant man who is having triplets, ñëw leen ngeen wax ñu what plans do you have for the youths? It's better than stealing the money, eating the money, buying houses in Senegal, buying houses in different countries. Can you tell us what plans do you have for the youths? Albala sumbutu yal minna. Ali fonyala. Ale nalia fo moleko. Ale plano misra pour Gambianole. It's better than alko. Alka nyimba fenyol. Alka wole mal kelola. Nale ba fenyol ma kelola. Hey. Wallahi ale ma balo le ma balo ale wole ma kantu ninkelo sitaja nal ba kala le fo poto juoto yes sure nal ba kala le fo poto juoto. You don't have any plans for the youths. You don't have any plans for the Gambian people because you already failed. Adama Barrow, I'm just asking you, who is going to allow you for you to rule another 5 years? Who? Who is going to allow you? Do you think that we are stupid like you? Do you think that the way you are stupid, that's how we are stupid? No. Because Adama Barrow is stupid tale foka pare. Munul be no kan. They are stupid like you, but they cannot tell you the truth. But as for us, we can tell you the truth because we didn't need any dime from you. We didn't need any dime from you. At least we are doing something better for ourselves. We are not stealing. You know, you are poor like a church rat. You are poor like a church rat. Amulo dari man fengo fene soto Adama Barrow ibina man sayala watum. Fengo fene table. Vice President bi mon koko mom fogo na ne bu ñëwé sa nek president sa at least na ewu anya ba yelelal damanding mu muna sanse mu muna sol lu baax mu muna génn ci bi nit ñi mu dem ñu dem defaral ko kanamam bi mu dem defi ci kanamam bi pedicure medicure go and pedicure your face medicure your face is better before you coming out to the public there you have to go to the salon they make up your face did everything for you. But just look at you, how local you are, how clueless you are. It's not your doctor. Don't tell me I don't say that Aisha to doctor. Which kind of doctor is she? That stupid doctor. Doctor bi nga xamne amul ben grade bam doctor apa xam-xam la am. Nekke wuñ fa dalu du sacc rek la fa gaay nekke. Sacc rek la fa gaay nekke. Li nak dafa metti. Dafa metti. Nañu wax nit ñi ban plans lañ amal pour réew mi Barrow Youth Movement you see now all your people are going away ñu ngee daw di dem because li ngeen yaakaar loolu moo munta am you people cannot be there stealing our money really it's very very bad mooy jikitee la yàlla naate na njëy baral be minella suñaro open suñaro Amad Ba koku mom lim am ci kër mom kay dedet Adama Barrow wax bosam mom wax nopi téwé pré in Sénégal ñom yépp dem jënd ji kër at the same place so foirul be Gambia dingol you have to be wise. This is not what you vote for. Adama Barrow du muna ngeen def ko président mu ñëw mu tekki rombalen fii nii Adama Barrow altakele man sakita nana Adama Barrow ba man futu atul batira atul me carte fayaye de Adama Barrow ba man futu atul me carte fayaye Adama Barrow ba man futu walti hadi de Adama Barrow ba man futu walti andu be min plan ka wole mu pour election o ñing min kanana 2021 ilafta nin covid-19 la ko takila ñola pour election o ñing kanake Adama Barrow stano election on Adama Barrow krata election pour assassino again koteke Gambia dingola li bang bi ali bang sama e ka fa kon to la ka fale ko ale finti diaspora ko la ka fa ale finti bi ale finti sama go and stand for your right go and fight for your right ntol be na janne de na man kuntu amantafu mbe sila janne de alla Gambian sa du bulale je ali alla chucha na la nyanka tangol dogu ñun faale wuñ sara yande mun ne fe ne ka fo donki yes ni mantara do ko la man sa kunda be njolal ni sita hane mantara do ko la adoyata nyaawo nyan to la jam adoyata nyaawo nya ila bu ngoy ka joyel ne la bu ngo joy yan afta ne la bu ngo joy ka jele dila keme woro mbato nga fane man ne ka bal keme woro tan lulu e ka wole dila ne la bu ngo joy faka pare e na keme woro tan lulu e wo dila o keme woro tan lulu Gambia dala so o mu jelleti nindi ngo be bulu ye jo ye dingo jo ye fongo jo ye la bu ngo jo ni mantara do ko la ni be do ko la ni bungo ta bungo mena ka warata masa kunda e hafo joy ita fango e hafo joy fanga tare ba do ko la lolu ana la nako gena ne dara genu ko ne neexna be buga de so nali amina fontol ka fale ko mbal pusindila ntol laftale ntol be janya men jambe sonar am jam fana mandiade kantu do ko bi janne jam mandiade do ko dimintale nko ko do minki yalena dimba ke son ka bondi wala kono barinka bondi dimba ke sokono nyame wala fisa itol ka soto nyame because itol ka bondi ma fo jisuma ba yana glace fo ni e bulo bla kono ake ibulo ka babal ba itol ka bondi jio min kono ji namburu ngo ne ka bondi wala kono ke bulo bla kono le ni e bulo bla kono fay bu kala fi ka bondi because of minem kando me batandi sumiya me batandi barintula bele kam batandi ñun sumiya kono sumiya katara janna sumiya katala fo minus 21 25 27 28 be finti la kono mitala do ko la ninga do ko ke nka mineke nka make sure ko nga kata nga Gambia mul munu bi jenna haajo ngela haajo jaare especially ndi mbatiyol bela nko ko ntela last do ko birina jodun tan na account to biringa na bungo jo na bunjo biringa bondije keme killing wala tutambul jankodo keme killing wala tutambul ya jube nga do ko ke ngam fongo bali bari keme killing wala tutambul akodo be tata muntol nga be ki Gambia kanto atara wata mo nyin covid-19 fenko nyin kana iko lockdown o nyin bina kikan atara lockdown o nyin fambe on lockdown o nyin fongo be on so ntena moltula je wo nyama bari ntol fi satale dinte ba ma din sabale bije hani atanta talulu kiyay ngoto ma ke talulu kiyay you no fane talulu kiyay abe fi salale bari modol munu ya nako ila mo kilindo ne be tubabu do kono so natole amina fontol katol pousse nka fale ko ali nyinke ntol be sirere tubabu duje na de atantole ale nana ndo den tangana ko ngati nala no de nte to ba safari airport otol nte na tane bente kala chuchalet ya jamere jamano ka ben kala chuchate nkele ta adama bado ya jame ka ben kala chuchate ha tunku ko take adama bado franka ben kala chuchate nyim fanan koliyatale imalon ko ntol fada ngam molle so to munyan ko eni molka diamule ha ngamineke miane ka foko nintenata nanje nte kungonale okuntu wala kalba nte falal asen tora alena dimbayal tora alena dimbayal tora kandal kanyete nyamen din saba wala bembul mbuka sunya mbuka jene nka do kule ngasto ngana nga kina baratol be minaraje asun kanyon almantara fengo fenana manke sumbutu kese ya dron albo da manlaje alba jikri minna malo Gambia dungol be conquering a felenting e fen samata fintitana ale wuliya min be dabal korda kilungo kono alka korda mo to be tam ni mo kilungo beje aya koto ma register a do ma register ala cousin register ay mo be ta be mo be register ay sa fata yo me block la janna ya moy yo ay mo be ta mo be register al mantara fengo fen na manke sumbutu kesse ya don albe wonna atol be criminel la Gambianol ko ya jamino bota je mbe mosoto la miyan ko min fisiata ñundu ite amira Adama Barrow Gambianol yete sinije katu ko ite bale din kendo wulu wala na Gambianol ye sinije wontende iba man din kendo wulu de molle din kendo wulu min tambite tete mol bale din kendo wulu munu le kende ya bete nyaato mol bale din kendo wulu munen ko foro dingol le muyti mol bale din kendo wulu munen ko e mansula mol tarola mol baye din kendo wulu munu yan ko e mantara suñarola mol baye din kendo wulu miyan ko e mansula hani Gambia no bututola nga mofula jele miyan ko e fintita nanjam mofula miyan ko e fintita samata fintita la adiamuta woman sula Gambia la bututola mimbe social security amari tondi ko take I forgot the name manjang fanan fintita nanne akoy ya sama damen aman jedo ko no aman experience no woto dum manjane bay din kendo wulu tati manjamba wole dinkendo wuli tati samate ba wole dinkendo wuli bati kanto wol bay dinkendo mi wulu amantara sunyaro la bi amantara sunyaro la sama I foroyata le foroyebe wole kantakan ila o foroya kilungo be min kantakan wala ne fintita I diamuta wala ne ifintita I diamuta barato la albe criminel la albe criminel la an albe la criminel la al sumbutu ke sol al manke foro dingoti al be lola wato mina e alquran wala di yalla ale wuliya fo alquran kono al ke kali billah wala talal ale wuliya fo ninga gambia bitre alo mari ala nyinkente alo mari ala alquran yal halaki ayal halaka yalla dimbayal be halaki kalda gambia dingol halaki kanyami alo mari arkunando nyingali e karimina albe gambe dungon tora kamina alo mari ala ya halaki wala fatole murun ko tekale ale ke sadadan la fodi moli aje silo kanala dimbaya ikabal fale because bi ale min la gambia ko ale min la gambia dungol kan gambia dungo buñem balute aha du dem de suñem balute aha du dem de ning atara arama bari cha miracle fo moli ci londile because of you are the best man. That's why people vote for you. You are lying. That's not true. Umu reality. Niaje ye tambinde. Minata no coming ya fanyami ko onko lawyer da bala interview ya fanyami. Ko ite ko Gambia no nyanta ala chantulale. Bring it ila on sate. You cannot even wonder ya. Ila on sate. Inene ma winje. Inene man win ila satito o so brita kita president wote e koni takite sano tombon kan ita kidula jubi ita kita fengo mina fe sano tombon je jubi because niaje ita winta koteke fo ita kata mansaketi ala ni UDP lo yada be sorondinga be mile 2 kono this old man aka kaytu noru ngol fanga aka kaytu le fago tombon banta kaitol fanga ka wala tombom banta Aisa what ye wala safa sign 3 what is the meaning of that Sana Jaju of UDP TV and media number 3 yante mu number 8 let mina ya okay Sana nge understand because iba fala wato mine te banu njane no mine be ko manne ka mo ba faka ye te banu njane wala Sana Fangela understand. Yeah, Sana is number 3. Nka Sana number 3 until number 80. Nka Mariana Sana wo. Yani iko ni Sana mu rebelot until UDP TV and media rebelot. But Sana wo bitara but into okay. Hey, I don't want to die now. I'm not going to leave myself to Adam Baruto. Yen chop. No. Nka manta wokela gis ngeen suma yaram bi dafa rafet pour rulu baye ma rek yalla jël suma bakken rek ala taala niyo taru na preta but those idiot yen samba je taran tocola susula famatan kinna ma sangolong mosquito bite oh my god how many years I never experienced for 5 years mosquito bite ale nan sambaje ale tambula la o bambadinka nata tambula o bambadinka nata ni yen samba bambadinka ne samba bambadinka fenko le tara nyopo susla le tara kinkanje lolu mon duma ko nangul kente duma ko defal ken duma ko nangul kente duma ko defal ken Aisa say ko sisla fenkele number 40 hanide sisla mu number 2 leti so iko Sana Jaju mu number 4 leti okay Sana mu number 4 leti all right good yani itola itala memory beti atala alafu Adama Barrow iko ay finti ay afomole ko ay plan sol min soto afai ko ay finti I plan sol min soto. I see one comment here. Let me just see that one. I respect you as a mother. Please respect others as a mother. If anyone who disrespect me, I will disrespect you. Okay, Fode? If any motherfucker disrespect me, I will disrespect you. If Aissatou Njie said disrespect me, no matter what, because Aissatou Njie said me for, nte batelula ko fonte. No. Mba atelola o fonte. You know what? When you people are talking of respect, ali mola moy bang I mean for bang. Ning atara I mean for. Is that is a respect? How many people in this diaspora I said Toure mol munu neng? So you want us to respect that woman? Did that woman respect us? No. If you want to respect me as a woman, fine. If you want to disrespect me, fine. But anyone who disrespect me, I will disrespect you too. Hadama dingodu. Ala doku abe minna. Afai ko inimbara. Afai ko inimbara. Nima fai ko no inimbara. Kana neng ala doku la be minna. Kana neng ala doku la be minna. Ntembe doku minna mantra jene kan. Suma nyakhalay liggéey. Bondo benen idiot from outside want to insult me because of the job that I'm doing, I would insult you back. I would insult you back. No matter ak no mamage dam la ko delo. Na Aissatou Njie said, and Aissatou Touré, domam bi mo gën suñ domi. Aissatou Touré taxaw na fini mu disrespect all the youths si Gambia bi. Joxuñ leen liggéey te joxuñ leen liggéey ëllëg ban liggéey lañ ama rebere si doku iko kal taleta mano duni ye taleta o mano duni al kango bal dimilaje ale bonanje anu tonja dimo taraje o kodo febe albe al ibal jola o kodo min albe o kodo kilingo leta ale talete jarala albe o kodo kilingo leta ale jarala so ni mol fintana ye ka foko respect us. This government respect the people. They didn't respect the Gambian people. So why we have to respect them? Forget about respect. They have to respect the people who put them in the office. They have to respect the people who pay their fucking damn money. Hanila boxal fake amindung Gambia dungon leka say. They don't respect those people. So you people want us to respect those people? Come on, man. Sometimes before saying some things, you have to think. Where is the respect? Which respect did this Gambia government give to our youths? Which respect did the Gambia government give to the people? Tell me, which kind of respect? They disrespect them. Because respect man tambinyina, ila nyanto yanta dilele ma dila. Disrespect man tambinyinte yeta kodo donto mi alnako altalo nyanta o kodo jol yenta kala minte make wote o kolal kana mun ko te kala ko kodo jo. No, that's not respect. Disrespect man tambi yena na ewuli afu mole iko ko na la yensindi na yensindi nkata president wonde mbenyi ni ne kelale. Disrespect man tambi wo because ye wuli afo mo ya mari disrespect man tambi wol yena na si ka foko me mani boto data la lele ima mani boto data mani boto da be seler donga bitaka. Disrespect man tambi what alkalo aka fo mo le ko respect them. Did these people respect us? They don't respect us, so they don't deserve respect from nobody. If you want, you can respect them. If you want, respect Adama Barrow more than your father. If you want, respect the vice president more than your own mother. But man, duñ man day juruñ ma. Parce que man liñ ma wax suma yaay duma ko wax. Liñ ma wax suma yaay duñ ma ko wax. Forcément bi liñ ma def suma ndey duma ko def. Forcément ñim fay xaalis ñu def ma ko suma ndey duma ko def. So you're talking about respect? Let them get to hell. Let them get to hell. Adama Barrow, get to hell. Your wife, get to hell. Forcedly, get to hell. Anyone who is thief in there, get to hell. Man mako man hadi demba. De len support. Yal na ngeen de juutu. Alo marinal fatani tatal badi banko yal fay. atol mi be Gambia ko dol domo kan nal tata yalla ngeen de juutu sen bamel bi ngeen juutu sen bamel bi alo ma di tatal bade banko yal fay al sumbutu kesol sumbutu kanyangol do you people have aim? No. Alma aim soto nal diamuta ala BMY kulba fakan Adama Barrow be do kula Adama Barrow be mun do kulella abe mun do kulella la fanya abe mun do kulella which work is he doing? Just eating our money. Just eating our money. Just eating our money. Ikono futo jube bang. Ikono futo be wararing. Ika munta ko nin din nani wala be ikono kon. A be fe mantara wararing je nam ke haramot. Ning Adama Barrow sita. I was rich before being a president. I was rich before being a president. What money did you have? $1,000 in your account? You said that you are rich? 1,000 in your account, you said that you are rich? Nonsense. Let me check this message. Ale kungo talia kal fangol. Ale kungo talia kal fangol. Gambia mul batatale. Gambia mul batatale bi mul batata samale. Albe wuliya fo mina na fauna fa mantarala. Na fauna fa mantarala. Janal binala kal ka mulle has. Alal fonga has folo. Alial kenyal jube. Alial kekol jube. Alial Kenya jube, alial kekol jube. Because albe minatiti. Na fauna fale mantarala. Na fa mantarala. Because molte fenko kelale. Molte fenko kelale. Atondi how to call. Molte atol vote la. Ikale doko ke mole. Almanson doko kela mole. Alia be benji albe mole kodo sunyal. Alba be kanje osusola. It's not done. Amanyang, it's not done. It's not done at all. Ni diamuta dol ka fintina njana ka foka hay manyana nyinkele manyana nyimfola. Foytol be minke ka nyal mawje. But when we are out we talk is a crime. But what they are doing is not a crime. It's not a crime. But almost step down. Whether she like it or not, it's matter of most. Abejila la diata akuyata abejila le because tadula mantarala. Because na tata fana be minekela amon ku keno ata ku keno la fana ata ku keno an ata ku keno la fana na man kalbe mo fala je wuliya fo bambalo damma alka beke wolati baral man dal kule ke kan gambe kono mi gambe dingol nyaabo al man fenne ke gambe mi gambe dingol nyaabo imaji sanya la mol fon be bolalto ala mol be bolato. So alnyente min diamula alman so wol diamula baro yud movement ala forumul kuna alnyente minu diamula alman so wol diamula je because alka minu diamu man na fasoto wole fi sale tala UDP kul kachala je ala la agenda fo ali mon plan le soto pour Gambia nole adi sale anatan tabulo ka adi sa jal se mol convince no bara tolbe mol convince no minella alkalka mulle ngay bollondi band alkalka mulle social ni wole battle winning la election on anda ta 2021 aman jamfa it's just around the corner. It's just around the corner very soon. Inshallah, manjam fakotake. Samba binala. Nyinyon government useless rungo. Amantara kiri. Very useless government. There are good people, munubiji, and who are ready to work, and who are willing to work, but not the stupid people who are there just for their pocket. No. People like Mambure Njai. For the mali londo sora Gambia dingol tiba. This is even an insult. You mune nduroleti because Adama Barrow katande alako atole kate finte but min diata nyembe wole kela. No. Mulka Adama Barrow dande mako nyina nyinke mole. Adama Barrow manyana okela mul manyana Adama Barrow danila. Mul manyana Adama Barrow danila. Adama Barrow mo multi mianko anyenta na la banko mo nyininka alafta minen la nga kale but not like they have to go and bend down on him kneel down on him just begging for him no gambe dingol manyanta la Adama Barrow dan na hani fenna why they have to go and beg him for what no ila kodole mo because any money that you see me and ko spent it has to be paid it's matter of must because nata ate do ko min commencer ate to do ko banano ka banko do ko amanke man sakile ka do ko ya bang so who the hell is Adama Barrow ka fuko nga do ko min commencer ma bang ite sa banno ite adata la sake sa bang ima adata sake sa bang ita banano so it's better you just step down ni lafte la peace la ni lafte la peace step down and ni man step down force le be sindela je force le be jindela je albala suñarol min nal pareta because awo suñarol ya nal mala fi bolaje because man sa ya diatal e ko ni bota man sa le kejo 50,000 ita ka fuko 50,000 what is 50,000 by 50,000 ita juta wala because now you are counting of millions bari say ka million on le jele tabulo kan so it's better you just peacefully ye banko te ya sendi mo la munu yan ko sa sendi no and alafta election o min bayla that cannot be possible it's the people that who vote you in and the same people who vote you out wassalam alaman tiñana kayrala alaman na aramiso diala alo mari kila ba horumo ko nga wuli kayra kono mimbe kala jumote wassalam ali sana fanan batu sana fanan kanana na inshallah afana ina taba bo mimbal da kono but once more again ma won len suma sanse bi tammi bala ma demati nako once more again ni gisu suma sanse be ñew legi ni ma won len suma sanse bi so what are you coming to do bon fils yes
oh my god what does Adama Barrow do
this Adama Barrow let me show you my sunset before I'm going. So I'm going to wrap up now. 363 people are here. What did Adama Barrow? You see my sunset? More or less my sunset. You see? This is the new fashion. New fashion, yes. This Rora. So come and take me once more again. I'm wrapping up, so they have to see the people who are just coming out. They have to see my dress now. Yes. Let me turn. Yes. You see? This is the Vice President of Gambia. Adama Barrow. Hey. This one now, fashion. This is a new design now with Louis Vuitton. Okay. Bye for now. Bye for now. Stay tuned. Sanabairo is coming very soon. Yes, that's Mama G with a beautiful outfit.